व्यूअर्स, उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज मैं लेकर आया हूँ आपके लिए सरफेस टेंशन। द बाउंड्री बिटवीन टू फेस इन जनरली डिस्क्राइब एज एन इंटरफेस विच वन ऑफ फेस इज अ गैस ऑफ वेपर and the other are liquid or solid. The term surface is commonly used. उसके बाद surface tension is defined as the force action over the surface of liquid per unit length of the surface. Force per unit area Fa on surface of liquid, its unit is Newton per meter Nm2. Explanation: the molecules inside the liquid interacts equally with other molecule from all sides, whereas the molecule at the surface is affected only by the molecule below it. The molecules exposed to behave differently. Surface molecule are compressed more tightly together, forming a sheet of skin on the surface with less distance between them compared to the molecule below. आगे जी, the molecule on the surface of a liquid are attached only this side way and towards the interior, so surface molecules are being pulled inward. The liquid surface is therefore under tension of surface area. Of the surface area molecule is required. Water in particular has a very high surface tension. The explains the characteristic rounded shape that liquids form when dropping through the air. The molecule are all being pulled toward the center. ये देखें जी, इसकी पिक्स वगैरह बनी हुई है। सरफेस टेंशन लिक्विड factor affecting surface tension. Intermolecular forces. Surface tension increase with the increase in intermolecular surface and decrease with the decrease in intermolecular forces. Hydrogen bonding. Surface tension increase with the increase in hydrogen bonding and decrease with the decrease in hydrogen bonding. Temperature. Surface tension decrease with the increase in temperature and increase with the decrease in temperature. Applications: emulsifying agent reduce the surface of oil and water phase, which result in stabilization of emulsion. Bile salts reduce the surface tension of fats in duodenum, which result in solubilization of lipids, which help in the diagnosis of lipids. Viscosity can be described as it is the internal resistance of the molecule of any liquid to flow, called viscosity. Viscosity is the fundamental tool of check the internal friction of any liquid. Like water is thin, so it has low viscosity, and on the other hand honey is thick, so it has high viscosity. Viscosity meters. These are the specialization equipment of apparatus used for the determination of viscosity of different liquids. ये देखें जी सारा इसका और भी पता करें। इसी के साथ हमें दीजिए इजाज़त, आपसे मिलेंगे अगली वीडियो के साथ। उस तक अपना और अपने घर वालों का ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह निगहबान। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।